In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in TikTok using another phone. If you are having your TikTok account but you want to log in using another phone, then watch the video to the very end to avoid mistake, because I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, first of all, you need to open TikTok, and then you will click on your profile icon. Then click on those three lines on the top right corner. Then you can click settings and privacy. And then you will need to scroll down and log out. Now once you have logged out, now you will use your details to log in. Let's say you'll click that, and then you've come to this place. Because you are having an existing TikTok account, you just click on add existing account. But if it is your first time creating an account, you'll just click sign up down there. But I assume that you are having an existing TikTok account. Just click add existing account. Then you can log in. You can continue with Facebook, you can continue with Google, you can continue with Twitter and or Instagram. But for this case, we are going to use the first option. Then you can log in with your phone number. But for my case, I'm going to use my email. So you'll just click on that email part, and then you will enter your email. Now once you've keyed in your email, you'll just click continue, and then the code will be sent to your email. Now I'll go to my email and copy the code and come and paste it here. Do the same also on your side. Now I'll just copy the code, and then I'll come and paste it here. Then I've logged in my TikTok account using another phone. That's it, guys. That's how you can log in or open TikTok account in another phone. Thank you, guys, and I hope this video is helpful. Please consider to subscribe and also to like the video. See you in the next one.